Hi guys! Once you have saved your file a couple of times, you will notice that there is a copy of your file with this wavy symbol that was created automatically. Let me explain. In SketchUp, when you save a project, it creates two main types of files: the SketchUp model file and a backup file. The file with the small wavy symbol is a backup file, and it has the same name as your original SketchUp model. The backup file is essentially a copy of your SketchUp model saved at the point in time when you last saved your project. It serves as a safety net in case your original model file becomes corrupted or if you need to recover an earlier version of your work. If SketchUp crashes or if there's an unexpected issue, you can use the backup file to restore your project to the last saved state. So if you wish to keep copies of certain steps in your project, you can save and move the backup to another folder so it doesn't overwrite it. Once you save it again, it will generate another backup, and so on. Since occasionally SketchUp crashes, I usually move my backup file in the evening to a daily folder, and once I continue with my project the next day, and my file crashes or breaks for some reason, I still have my backup from the previous day. It's a good practice to regularly save your work and keep both the main SketchUp model file and its corresponding backup file in a safe location. Now let's move on to the next lesson.